The Philippine Veterans Bank opened its first business center in Cebu to bring its products and services closer to its clients.
It's a private commercial bank. It is also probably the most widely held in terms of ownership, because the owners of the bank are hundreds of thousands of veterans, particularly of World War II. At the same time, it is the only private commercial bank that is authorized to be a depository of government entities, both local and national, and to be able to transact business with them.
The facility is first of its kind among 60 bank networks in the country. With over 385,000 veteran stockholders from World War II owning the bank, Veterans Bank prioritizes its products and services such as pension loans to veterans. But with this, Veterans Bank expands its transaction to the government sector, helping in financing national roads, hospitals, and public schools.
Loan processing is centralized in Manila. While it may serve certain purposes, it also creates delays in being able to approve the process of credit. So the function of this business center is really to be the loan center for Cebu businesses.
With this new facility, the bank vows to decentralize most of its transactions. Now, clients can expect faster processing of loan applications and other services.
We have very strong relationships as well with local government units. So this becomes a venue for them. They need a meeting place, they can come over and use our facilities. So it's open and it's twofold really. A place where we can gather clients, and specifically a place where we can process loans for Cebu.
In Cebu, Veterans Bank has two branches, one in Cebu City and one in Mandaue City. Philippine Veterans Bank's total loan portfolio as of July 2019 hit 22 billion pesos, the highest portfolio level the bank has reached in just 7 months, compared to 18 billion pesos last year.
In 5 years, we have now been able to service many more veterans, and therefore have become a major participant or even player in pension loans. And we're, as they say in some military circles, we have not begun to fight. So at 3 billion, that's just scratching the surface.
Veterans Bank's business center, located along Osmeña Boulevard, was inaugurated Friday, August 9, 2019, with the presence of Philippine Veterans Bank Chairman and CEO Roberto De Ocampo. Veterans Bank plans to add 2 more business centers, one in Northern Mindanao and one in Central Luzon. For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.